Ok les gars, on est le 5 juin 2025 or the 5th of June 2025. I received about a week or two ago my bisontek bt360 skidsteer, mini skidsteer, and I just changed the oil. It's supposed to be brand new. I got it from an auction, but it had 24 hours and a half on it. So there were some little things that I have repaired. There's just one thing that needs to be arranged. I took this wire that was ripped off, so I arranged this, and this bracket here. You cannot take the filter, air filter cap. Je peux pas enlever le cap de filtreur à cause de ce bracket-là. Il va falloir que j'arrange ça, cette bracket-là. Je viens de changer l'huile dedans. I just changed the oil in it. Là, l'huile, il y a un petit... il y a un bouchon là. Puis il y en a un, la même chose sur l'autre bord. There's the same orange cap on the other side for the oil change. Là, je me demande, je présume que ça change pas si j'inverse les choses parce que le gauge est sur l'autre côté. I wonder, I guess that doesn't matter if I change the oil caps from one side to another, because there was one that there's a gauge on it and the other side is harder to reach than on this side. So I can fill it up by the other side, but it's easier to check the oil in here. So je suppose que c'est plus facile à checker l'huile, le gauge et l'autre bord. C'est plus facile à mettre l'huile dedans parce que c'est plus direct, mais ici c'est plus facile pour le gauge. Là, il y a une affaire que je me demande si c'est correct ou pas. I wonder if this is an issue. Look here. These two hoses, about an inch of size, ces deux hoses-là touchent au muffler. They are touching almost the muffler. There's maybe a quarter of an inch here, but they touch the head of the engine too. Ils touchent aussi la tête du moteur. Ça, j'ai peur. Je présume que ça chauffe, ça doit pas être bon pour la hose. Les hoses sont-tu assez résistantes pour ça? Do these hoses are resistant for that? I don't like the idea. I might have to. I'm going to push it and put a fiberglass cloth on it maybe. Je vais peut-être mettre un mat de fibre de verre, quelque chose de même. Puis c'est bien tight là-dedans. It's really tight under this. So maybe if you guys, I don't know if you guys have seen these things before. Sorry about it. The focus doesn't work. Okay. Si vous avez des suggestions, les gars, pour ça, je ne sais pas, on le voit pas. Sorry, I move a lot. Je grouille beaucoup, là, mais la hose est collée dessus. Puis ici, là, just a inch over my thumb. Puis il faudrait que je la décolle. It's like this. It's made like this, but just a fiberglass cloth or 2 or 3 coats, would it be enough? Ça serait-tu assez de mettre du fibre de verre en matériel 2-3 épaisseurs là-dessus pour empêcher que ça chauffe? So I would like you guys to give me a feedback about this. I have it's my third post, c'est mon troisième vidéo, c'est-à-dire que je fais third video. I'm going to put them all in the same time, and I found two. I reached someone on the internet to get the manual spec, the manual for this, and not just the engine, but the bt360. J'ai le manuel pour le bt360. Je vais le mettre. Le lien ou je vais essayer d'arranger ça. J'ai de la misère avec Internet, mais je vais m'arranger pour au moins vous donner l'adresse, les gars. I'm going to try at least to give you the address, the email, guys, so that you can have I know that everybody's searching the manual, the owner's manual for this. So I'm going to try to do something about it in a few days. Thanks you guys.